want to give a review on this Lasko fan heater combo. So this is my favorite fan, to be honest. I'm a fan of this fan. So it comes with a remote. I'm just going to turn it on. It comes on at 4, fan level 4. You can change that by pushing a button on the remote or on the top. Here's all the controls up here, and they're mirrored on here. So you can see you've got the on-off button, fan speed, a timer, and then circulate. It's on this side. So if I push that circulate button, it's going to start. Oops. Had to point it at it. It's going to start rotating around and moving back and forth. For some reason, I don't see it doing that. Let me try it using this. There it goes. So for whatever reason, the remote didn't work that time. I'll investigate that later, but frankly, I bought one of these previously. We have a big home, 7,700 square feet. It's actually a renovation where, as you can see here, it previously was a church, and this is our home. And so we've got a lot of room, and this fan does a great job. And so I'll typically have it facing into my study, turned around the other direction there. So we're pulling air from this larger room into my office area. I love that it has the built-in heater. So it's good for summer. It's also good for winter. Just love, again, that it has that. I'm going to try stopping the oscillation with the remote again. Okay. Didn't do it. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. The first one we bought works great. We've had it for a year and a half, 2 years now. I frankly just bought 2 more of them because I love this fan so much. So it's a great option if you need a fan, a heater. Having one unit instead of 2 separate units is great. It looks really good. So the black on white, it's clean lines, feels good. Just from a height standpoint, it's at stomach level when I stand up next to it. So you get pretty good airflow around the room. The heater is at the bottom, so that's this part down here. And if I were to turn that on, which I'm not going to because it is first week of August, but the heat obviously is going to rise. So having the heat down there and then projecting out, it's, again, this is a great unit. I'm really happy with it. I encourage you, if you need a fan, if you need a heater, why buy 2? Get this. It works great. Frankly, just love it. So there you go.
What are you doing? It's gonna look like you're doing something. So crazy. It's actually doing what it's supposed to do right now.
There's no batteries in the remote. Lasko, send us a new fan.
It's like it's connected directly to the wall. Only the light on, and it does not turn on, turn off, nothing. And it only been 15 days in here. Like, come on.